J Wonder Crazy back at ya, and today I have something that you guys can use. I'm always talking about banks robbing you blind and about banks failing, and here's a tool that I use to look at banks, and right now this tool is telling me that there are currently, let's see here, there are currently almost 680 banks that are rated as D or E on an A through E schedule. This tool, you can go to weissratings.com, WEISS ratings, and they rate banks, credit unions, and insurance companies. So right here you can see a list of banks, or at least a chart, and then they have the ratings. You can look at all the good ones, the bad ones. You can put in your own bank name and check on it. There's a couple around here in my area that are not rated well. This company's been doing this for over 40 years, and it's a good resource, right? So when I go out to Schwab and I buy a CD, I usually pump it into this little tool here. It's free. It's a free tool. It's on the internet. And see how the bank is rated. Granted, I'm only committing my money for 30 days, but I still want to check and see how it's rated. So I suggest I'll put a link down below to this website, and suggest that you go out to their website and poke around and put your bank or credit union in there. Just to see how they are rated. You might be surprised. You might be pleasantly surprised. But at least you checked, right? That you did your due diligence and you checked. It's kind of crazy that out of, almost 700 banks out of, 4,000 or 5,000 are not rated very well. So, it looks like the big banks, some of the big banks here are rated pretty good, but, as I said before in another video, we're coming to the end of June, and that's when you're going to see things happen, okay? And here's what's going to happen. Banks, at the end of June, banks and companies issue their quarterly reports in July sometime, and then you're going to see, like what happened to some of these other banks where, they're issuing that they had a drop in deposits, a drop in this, a drop in that, or raising of defaults or something like that. And then the money's going to start moving out of those banks. Then their stock is going to start plummeting. There's some banks that have already gone through part of this process, and, they're on their deathbed at this point. There's like 5 or 6. I'm not going to mention them here today, but if you look in the financial news, you can figure it out. So be careful where you put your money. Be careful where your money is at. But I'm not giving you financial advice. I'm just telling you what I'm doing. Because anything can happen, right? The FDIC limit right now is $250,000. That's guaranteed. So if you have more than that in a bank, you may want to think about what you're doing. And also, as with anything else, if you have any questions, seek out some financial advice versus just making assumptions, because you don't want to get caught short or in a bad situation when you're dealing with your money. So I'm going to keep this video short today because I just wanted to blast this out there and let you guys know that there is a tool out there, and you may want to take a look at it and see if it can help you in your quest to become rich and wealthy. So that's DJ Wonder Chrissy over and out. Hey, share this with your friends. Share this with your family. Share this with your coworkers. Just share, share, share. And we're gonna see ya